What's up everybody, welcome back to Spare Time Videos. I am Brett and today we are going to be working on the Jeep wheels. We've had some come in the mail and we're going to go ahead and open it up. So, it's been a while coming that I've been wanting to get this on. Ordered these off of Amazon. So, let's see. Alright, there you go, 1.5 inch wheel spacers. Comes with the nuts. Very nice. Very solidly made. It looks like it has some damage, but these are the cheaper ones off of Amazon. These are not the spider tracks or anything like that. So I think I paid 80 something. I'll put that up probably like right here. Yeah, let's get these wheels off and check them out. Okay, so the only thing you're really going to need today is going to be a tire iron. You're going to need, for safety, at least 2 car jacks. If you want to do 2 at a time. To be safe, you really want to make sure you have that under there just in case it does fall. Don't want that to happen. And then you're going a jack. So let's get these broke loose, and then once we get them broke loose, we'll lift the Jeep up and pull the tire. So let me show you what I've been doing for the past 3, 4, 5, 10 minutes. I don't even know how long it's been since I've been trying to get these off, but I'm taking these off so it actually sits more flush on there. I don't think these right here are really going to make or break anything, so they're a pain to get off. So what I've been doing is I've been undoing these all the way around and then working it back and then almost just like twisting it off. But yeah, look how rusty that is. Just going to twist right off. There you go. Yeah. So I got a wire brush. I'm gonna brush this off. Oh yeah, much better. So I don't have any like Loctite or anything like that, and I really don't want these to like get any more rusted. So the only thing that I really have, and I don't really know if you should do this, is I've got some like little white lithium grease. It's either that or oil. I mean, I really don't know, but really don't want these threads to get on here and get seized up. So we're gonna have to use a 3/4 inch, and I'm just gonna get them on here as tight as I can. I do have an impact I probably should have got, but alright. So if you don't have an impact, you're gonna want one. So I've already kind of gone around. I've already got everybody nice and snug, and I've already been around once. But this right here is a lifesaver. So what we're gonna do now is we're actually gonna put this tire on, and then we're gonna lower the Jeep back down, and then we're gonna kind of take a look at what we got. So I'm actually got my wife in the Jeep, and she's pushing on the brake, so that way I can actually tighten this down just a little bit more. I mean, I really don't think it's gonna go anywhere, but you can never ever really be too safe. What's it called? I can't think right now. A torque. So it tells you how many foot-pounds of torque you're putting on the bolts. Those are really handy. If you don't have one of those, get one of these. What is my high lift jack handle? Okay, so we've had them on. Everything fit up right. Now we're taking it back off to really tighten up the bolts. Really want to make sure everything goes on here smoothly. Everything is flat, it's flush. We've tightened down the bolts. We really torqued them on there. The next thing now is to get the wheel back on, lower the car back down, and then do the opposite side. Man, that was pretty tough. All right. No. You helping?
Yeah.
Okay. I think you're taking it off though. Aren't you?
Yeah.
You don't need to take it off. We need to go the other way. Go the other way with it. Look here. Go this way.
Oh.
There you go. Alright. Here.
Oh, thank you.
Go sit down. We've got it on there, or we're going to go ahead and... Alright, so got the front one done. Nice. What's up, bud? In your four-wheeler? Alright. Oh, no. Look, we got the same Jeep now.
Yeah, your Jeep's the same color as Daddy's. Alright, go.
Awesome.
There's your video. Now we got 3 Jeeps.
Now we got 3 Jeeps. Yep.
Make a mud pit for him.
There you go. We're doing the same thing in the back. It's just that this time we put on the e-brake and we've actually lifted the Jeep up so that way we can do 2 at once. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same process that I just did on that one tire, and then we'll take a look and see what we got. See, this one really isn't as bad, but I mean, just look at that, man. So just like the front, now in the back, we're gonna just get a bunch of this crap off of here. Just kind of brush it up a little bit. Make it nice. Put the Lucas white lithium grease on there, just to keep it lubricated enough to get these on there so they don't, I guess, seize up. But anyways, and again, here. There you go.
you see this rust back here?
On the shock?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. There's rust
Fix that?
everywhere. Yeah, I can fix it with new shock. All this rust is going to have to be treated. Maybe that should be the name of the Jeep. Rusty. What do you think?
Yeah.
Rust bucket.
Huh.
What was it? Krusty Krabs. What was it? Chum bucket. The chum bucket.
Yeah, inside.
So, anyways, all right. So we've got those on there. The emergency brakes on. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten these down really, really good. Back up here. Oh, these are so heavy. Not really. I'll tell you what are heavy. Those 37s are heavy. Really heavy. This side's done, so we're going to now fast forward this clip into being done. Oh, did you get stuck?
Yeah.
You are? You don't look stuck to me. Oh, it's almost dead, huh? Alright, Kira, Dad's gonna turn you around. Woo! Woo, 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 woo! Alright, guys, so here it is. Alright, so the wheels and tires are on. The spacers went on great. About, I'd say, an hour. If you have someone to push the brakes, that really helps out. If you're doing it by yourself, go ahead and expect about an hour. Probably about 20-30 minutes to kind of set up. I mean, you're going to have at least an hour and a half tied up in the day, but, you know, an hour to do it. If you have someone who's already done it before, I mean, this could be easily done within like 30-45 minutes, easy. So I've never put spacers on before, but pretty much the step-by-step process. You know, pull your wheels off, clean the hub up, put the spacer on, then, you know, lock everything down really nice and tight, make sure it's flush. You know, sand everything off, scrape everything off, make sure there's no dirt behind it, and make sure they sit nice and flush. Put your tire on, and then everything should go on nice and smoothly. As far as the product goes, these were bought on Amazon. They're a little bit cheaper than the Spider Tracks. I guess you're gonna save, I don't know, maybe 45 bucks. Let's see, I think it's $85, and then for theirs, I mean, you're looking easy 130 bucks, I guess, for theirs, and then for these, just like 85 bucks, I think. Anyways, I will post both of them up. That way, you know, you can get the compare prices between the two. All right, that's gonna be it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you've never been here before, please check out some of my other videos. Follow me on Instagram. It's bigman06_. I post a lot of pictures up, you know, before I actually do some of this stuff. But yeah, in the coming months, we have a lot going. I ordered a lot of stuff. This came in, something else came in, and I have one more thing that's supposed to be coming from California. They put me off for like 4 weeks. It's kind of sucked because I really want to do my videos in certain segments, and if you don't have the stuff here to do them, then you really can't do your videos. So, and I don't want to rush anything. You know, this is going to be a complete build on this guy right here. I really don't have a name for him yet. And then we're working on that guy right there. So we're we're going to be going in between the two Jeeps. I got a lot of videos coming up. I appreciate everybody who's viewed this. Forward it, share it. Yes, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.